So what we've got is years of economic decline in this area. I mean, people still talk historically about the mining industry, and so what we've got is generational decline and deprivation. So the reason it's been so difficult locally is because it's intergenerational, and what I would say is that people haven't got that belief that anything will change, and so we need to go out and have a system where we gain the trust of those communities to get them on that pathway back to employment. My reflections on today have been quite broad, and in Mansfield we're really concentrating on partnership working, and so as part of the systems thinking approach, the question you've got to solve is how can working with different people's systems that you can actually find one system that will deliver, combining, be it health, housing, education and local government as part of what we call the place board to deliver something for Mansfield. So you can see there are lots of aspects where today's adaptive thinking, reflective thinking is going to be useful in my job going forward.